Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Edge 30 smartphone, and in today's video we are going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to open up the Play Store. After that, at the search bar just type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed. As you will see now, it will not take a lot of time, so we'll simply wait. Now let's go ahead and open it. While launching the Opera browser for the first time, it is required for us to choose whether some of the features and options this Opera browser has to offer, we want them to be enabled like from the start, or we can skip and configure them later. Me personally, I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as the default browser step. Here you can just customize the permissions that you'll give to the Opera. Me myself, I'll allow everything that it needs. So basically, after pressing on done, that means that we are all set and you can just go ahead and start using the Opera browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.